Lino from Express Signs and Lighting Maintenance asked us to come to the Chicago area to put the van ladder through its paces in the Windy City. First stop, Delta Sonic, a busy place in a busy city. The job today is changing Delta Sonic's LED sign lights from red to white. The biggest challenge is working efficiently while trying to stay out of the way. But with the van ladder's small footprint and generous flight pattern, it's much easier to navigate in tight spaces than it is with a larger truck. And the project bag gives installers a convenient place to keep the channel ladder faces as they're being removed and to hold the lights and cleaning supplies while performing the changeout. As you can see, the van ladder was teamed up with Express's 60-foot Altec to tackle this project. The next morning, there were 3 trucks at the job site, changing LEDs again and installing a lit ladder at a popular steakhouse. Why 3 trucks? To avoid the busy lunch crowd. This project needed to be completed before 10 a.m. When the project was finished, we spent a few minutes explaining the Chariot bucket's installation accessories. Then we asked Lino and Patrick, Lino's head installer / installation manager, to give us their thoughts.
As the sign industry has changed over time, signs, number one, weigh a lot less and are a lot easier to install. You don't seem to need that same ability to crane things up at the same weight that you did before. So this truck actually has a lot of facility for us in the new sign industry, I'd say.
And could you just give me just a rundown of the trucks you have now?
Yeah, we have it's actually a Manitowoc on a Sterling. It does about 140 feet overall height. We have an Elliott 85-footer, an Elliott 65-footer, an Altec 60, and then I have a service van that'll probably go about 27 feet in the air.
Okay. And how would you see a van ladder fitting in that fleet?
I think it could actually replace one of the Elliots and the service van, both, which is what makes it unique.
Yeah, and the smaller footprint, just being able to get in and be able to get that 30-foot side reach to get over vehicles, if it's in a shopping center. You get somewhere where it's packed and nobody's moving their cars, you gotta be able to park and boom over them and get the job done.
Yeah. The small footprint really does add a lot of ability in an urban environment where things are packed pretty tightly, especially older urban environments where the streets are just a little bit closer together.
Would you load this thing with all your service equipment?
We would use it as a service vehicle. Primarily, but also an install vehicle for, the smaller installs, which would be a lot of them.
Made installing easier, instead of using the service bucket, having this Chariot basket worked a lot easier. And just having the adjustments, being able to swivel and move the arms, going from 2 guys to 1 guy on a lot of jobs now.
Things have changed in the new sign industry. Most lightweight signs don't need a crane as much as they need some common sense installation accessories. Why not get a truck that can save time and bring more dollars to your bottom line and make life easier for your installers? Van Ladder, simplifying sign work.